Most people think they know what a midlife crisis looks like. They imagine a man in his 40s panicking, buying things he doesn't need, chasing noise, trying to feel young again. But that's not what this is. When a man in his 40s suddenly starts going to the gym every day, when he cooks his own meals instead of eating whatever is convenient, when he spends more time alone, quieter than before, something important is happening, and almost nobody understands it. This isn't a breakdown. It's the opposite. This is what it looks like when denial ends. Because by 40, a man has seen enough life to stop lying to himself. He knows which promises he broke. He knows which paths led nowhere. He knows which habits are slowly killing him, not dramatically, but quietly. And one day, usually without a dramatic moment, something clicks. Not motivation. Clarity. He realizes no one is coming to save him. No phase is going to pass. No excuse is going to age well. So he simplifies. The gym isn't about muscles anymore. It's about respect, self-respect. It's a place where effort still equals results, where progress is honest, where pain has meaning again. Cooking his own food isn't about health trends. It's control. It's choosing not to outsource his discipline. It's deciding that what enters his body will finally match the standards he expects from life. And the solitude? That's the part people misunderstand the most. He's not lonely. He's finally tired of distractions. Tired of pretending he enjoys conversations that lead nowhere. Alone time becomes necessary when a man starts asking himself questions he can't avoid anymore. What am I actually proud of? What have I been avoiding? What kind of man will I be at 50 if nothing changes? This phase doesn't come from fear of aging. It comes from acceptance of time. He understands the clock is real now, not in a dramatic way, in a sober way, and instead of panicking, he gets precise. He stops wasting energy on people who drain him. He stops explaining himself. He stops chasing validation. This is why the change looks sudden from the outside. But inside, it's been building for years. Every disappointment, every compromise, every night he went to sleep knowing he could do better. This is a man who has decided that the second half of his life will not be lived accidentally. And if you're watching this and something about it feels uncomfortably familiar, good, that's not a crisis calling you. That's clarity knocking. The question is simple. Will you answer it? Or drown it out with noise like everyone else?